Hey guys. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. So our today's video is about best rust converter. We have listed the 5 best rust converters for 2022. We also included all product links in the description box, so you will visit the page easily. Before knowing, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Now let's get started. Number 5. Sunlab Rust Converter. You can save your precious time using this ultimate rust converter. This rust converter can be applied on damp metal surfaces. You can protect your metal surface by using this rust converter. It covers 5 times more area and get a bigger bang for your buck. This rust converter will cover up to 1000 feet per gallon, and up to 125 square feet in a spray bottle. You can dilute it with 20% water and apply this one-step rust treatment solution to all the rusty metallic surface without any effort. This professional grade, UV and hydrogen sulfide resistant rust converter is environment friendly and non-flammable. It contains less than 1% VOCs, no lead, and no oily solvents. Number 4. AGS Rust Converter. This AGS Rust Converter stops the rust completely and it can be applied directly on the rust. It can fine the rust permanently and prevent the rust from spreading. This rust solution is highly tech fortified and epoxies to ensure superior adhesion and durability. This rust converter has UV resistant properties. It is well suitable with the most top coat and can be painted over with any color you choose. No top coat is necessary. You can apply it anywhere you see the rust. It is the ideal rust solution for home, auto, industrial, marine, and agricultural applications. This rust converter can permanently stop rust and prevent it from spreading. This rust converter is indestructible enough to withstand temperatures of 300 degrees and 1000 hours of the deteriorated resistance salt spray test. Number 3. Genelite Rust Converter. This advanced water-based rust converter formula treats rust and converts the rust into a stable and hydrophobic surface. This rust converter chemically converted and summarized, leaving a durable and hard-wearing black surface. The defensive polymer coating can be left as is, or it can be finished with your choice of water-grounded or canvas-grounded paint. This rust converter seals the surface and prevents the return of rust. It also protects the surface from water vapor, oxygen and carbon dioxide, whilst creating excellent resistance to bacterial growth, chemical attack and swab spray. This industrial-strength rust converter does not require a top coat, so you can save your hard-earned money by skipping the top coating. This rust converter can be easily applied on oil-based, water-based, enamels, or any other top coating you like. Number 2. FDC Rust Converter. This rust converter converts the rust to an inert coating that seals out moisture to prevent further corrosion. This rust converter converts rust to an inert coating and seals out the moisture to prevent from further corrosion. This rust converter eliminates the need for sandblasting, grinding or scraping. The 1 gallon of rust converter covers 500 square of smooth and non-porous surface. This rust converter is highly efficient. It converts toughest and corrosion. This rust converter is specifically designed to stop rust by converting even damp rusted metal surface to phosphate without heavy scraping of beach firing. This rust converter also used for automobiles, machinery, railings and structures etc. And on the last we listed Keraseal Rust Converter. It is a water-based rust converter with latex metal primer. This rust converter works as paint, prime and converts rust in just one step. This rust converter can restore the metal surface, extend the life of metal equipment and protect the surf. This water-based rust converter is non-flammable and non-corrosion. Its water-based formula cleans up with just soap and water. This rust converter is easy to apply with brush, roll, or spray bottle. It can be applied at 8 to 10 mils wet for 200 to 250 square feet per gallon coverage. It can be used for all marine, automotive, general household and industrial applications. So guys, these are the 5 best reviewed rust converters. You can choose any one for your use. The links are mentioned in the description box. Please like the video and share it with your friends. We hope to see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.